Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a unboxing video of a watch that I'm really excited to take a look at. It looks like I've opened the box, but I've just prepared it because it was quite a struggle to get it to this point, so we won't have to struggle with that. Before we are unboxing the watch, wristwatch check. I am wearing the 12. Been wearing this a lot lately. Really enjoying it. And if you're interested, I have posted a full review of this watch on my channel. But today we are unboxing another one, a brand I have not experienced before, and a watch that I'm really excited to check out. It was very kindly sent to me by the brand to review. So now I'm just gonna do an unboxing and a little first impression video, and I'm going to wear the watch and give you guys a full review on this very soon. So let's just complete the unboxing. Let's take this out. Well, don't need all the bubble wrap. There's the box. It's not really a box, is it? But this is the packaging, and it's supposed to be this way. You can see which brand it is. It is Nodus, and it comes in this fabric pouch with like a leather button and a logo also in leather. Might be a nice like travel pouch, but I'm not sure what's... Yeah. All right. Okay. All right. There's something in here. Links. So this is a watch that's been passed around to people making reviews and whatnot, so it's not brand new. And usually we would probably have a box and a warranty card and such, but that's not the point. Look at this. Here is the watch, and it is beautiful. That's all that's in this one, so let's put it aside and focus on this. Wow. So it's really small. The bezel is fixed, which I assumed. And look at that dial. Beautiful. And really nice shade of blue. Not too far off the squale blue color, which is a color I really love. And they do have their clasp, which is patented. I've not experienced it before, so I'm really excited to take a close look. I want to just first try it on the wrist. I hope it fits so I don't have to resize it. So let's just check the clasp out. Beautifully brushed and polished on the sides. And 2 buttons to open it up. And the patented part is this extension. How does it work? It's this way, right? Yeah. So you can extend it on the go like that. Push the button. All right. I'm gonna have to play around a little bit with this. Hopefully, I think it looks a little bit on the larger side for me, so I think I have to size it. Oh yeah, for sure. But this is what it looks like. Beautiful size on this. Yeah, perfect size in my opinion. And it is resized by screws. So it should be a quite simple operation, so I'll have that done. And well, the main feature here, obviously, the dial. It's beautiful. Look at that. The texture is stunning, and the bezel is quite interesting. That it has just a solid ceramic bezel, no numbers, nothing. Obviously not rotatable, but it is really beautiful. And not something you see that often, you know, so it's very unique in that sense. And you can see the markers, you can see the indices are cut out, as well as the date window, which is really beautiful. What I can say that immediately strikes me is that the date window is quite hard to read because it's dark, because it's quite far inside. So we're gonna see how that works out. I think it's probably not going to be an issue, but it's just something I'm going to be aware of and think about. The crown is signed. We can take a look at the back. All right, let's see. Nodus Unity, so that's the model name. 150 meters water resistant. Designed and assembled in Los Angeles. And you have quick release on the bracelet. So you can easily replace it. Maybe I'll try this on a rubber strap, which I think would maybe look really good as well. You have, in addition to a quick release, you actually have drilled logos, which seems redundant, but I guess if you swap it out and you don't have a quick release strap, it can be nice. Beautifully brushed on the sides, polished bevel edges, brushed on the top, bezel, high polish, beautiful. I think I'm really gonna like wearing this. The size is just perfect. It's quite thin, and screw on crown, no crown guards. Let's wind it up a little bit. Change the date, set the time, and screw back in. All right, so I should mention that the size is 36.5 millimeters, which is, I think, a great size. I love that they make a smaller watch like that. And the movement in this watch is a Miyota 9015 automatic movement, so that's you know, a really good movement in my opinion. So what do you guys think? I'm really loving this dial. It's beautiful, and I'm really excited to wear this watch, and I'm gonna do a full review of this watch very soon, guys. I'm gonna wear it for a week or two. First, let me know what you guys think of this watch, and thank you so much for watching my quick unboxing video, and I will be back very soon. All right, thank you so much, and goodbye.